This spoon. Very mindful. Yeah, man. Classy. Hello guys, in today's video I'll be preparing curry coconut shrimp pasta. Here I have my milk that I'll be using, the butter, my red onion, my sweet pepper, the garlic, the curry, of course. I'll be using the best curry ever. If you know, you know. My spaghetti and my shrimp. So I will be preparing curry coconut shrimp pasta. Let me say that again. Curry coconut shrimp pasta. This is the seasoning already blended, garlic, onion, scallion, thyme, that I will be using to season the shrimp. Okay, so this is what I do for my seasoning. I blend them together and put them down for whenever I need them. Okay, so that's curry coconut shrimp pasta. Okay guys, so watch this video until the end and let us cook together. Of the shrimp and I pick off these off the tail of it, and I make sure that it's already deveined because I don't like the veins in it. Some people do like it, I don't. So it's already deveined. Now I'm going to wash it with lime juice and vinegar. It's here in the container. Yep, lime juice and vinegar, guys, the best thing to wash your fish and meat. So here I have some lime, guys. I'll just find a big one. Okay. Of course, I'll be cutting it. Yeah. I'll be making sure that I squeeze it all over. And here I'm adding my vinegar. So I believe in it to soak in the vinegar and lime juice. Okay guys, so I'm now gonna wash off the shrimp from the lime juice and the vinegar. Now wash off, guys, and I'm now ready to season. Yeah, but I gotta do the do now. It's time to season up this. So of course, you know I have a curry, the best curry in the world, I believe. You can comment in the comment section if this is the curry that you use. If this is the curry of your choice, comment in the comment section, guys. Yeah man, this is the curry of all the curry in the world for me. Better pack curry. Yeah. And of course you don't know, say I have the good old all-purpose seasoning. Yeah man, see it here. And I'm gonna use a 1/4 teaspoon. Yeah, 1/4 teaspoon of it. And of course, you know, say I have to use a little fish seasoning, of course. 1/4 teaspoon. Yes people, that's how we do it over here on Arlene SouLz. And of course you don't know, say this is the blend up seasoning, and I'll be adding 2 teaspoons. Yes, 2 teaspoons here, man. And then we are going to rub him in. Hey, people want to say, talk to me. Want to say, the smell what going right to some people. You should smell the fragrance that's coming off this. Wow, guys. I'm a lover of shrimp. But tell me why, guys. This little bag of shrimp has so much money. Oh, have mercy. This little bag of shrimp is almost $2,000, guys. I'm going to count it, how much shrimp in there. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. My merciful. 24 shrimp in there, guys. Yeah. 24 shrimp, guys. Whoa. But anyway, I'm a lover of shrimp, so I will spend my money on that. Right? This is one of my favorite fish or meat. I'm not sure to eat. Yeah. Favorite fish or meat. I don't know which category it is. Comment in the comment section, people, and tell me the category here. So I'm gonna put down this, let it marinate, and then we'll come back to it within the hour. Yes, people. So guys, these seasoning right here will be what I will be adding as the shrimps cook, but I'm prepping them in the meantime. So I have the sweet pepper, the red onion, the garlic. Yeah. So I'll be prepping them and leaving them right here until we're cooking down the coconut juice. Yeah, man. So don't forget to subscribe, guys, and leave your comments in the comment section. That's what let the algorithm know that Arlene SouLz has put out a video. Yes, guys, interact with the videos as best as you can. I appreciate it. I love a lot of garlic in what I'm doing, guys, so don't mind me with the garlic. I love garlic. So this is the way how Arlene SouLz prepare curry coconut shrimp pasta. There are many ways that you can cook, guys. You don't have to do in a special way. You do it how you can do it, the best way that allow your food to taste good, of course. Yeah, man. Alright, people, so stay tuned, yeah? Stay tuned when I speak. So guys, it's cooking time. Yes, yes, yes. And here I have in the pot the onion and the garlic to in some butter, and I'm ready to cook the coconut cream. Allow the coconut cream to boil, and here I am with the spaghetti. Ready to cook. There we go, guys. You should smell the aroma that is coming from this kitchen, guys. Wow. Wow, wow. Now it's time to burn the curry. What a shrimp. And of course, burn the curry with a little garlic. Shrimp, oil. So you leave the shrimp to simmer as the spaghetti and the coconut cream come to a boil. Okay, this is how much I want it to cook. I don't want it to get too soggy, so this is good for it. You can cook the spaghetti according to how you like it. You can also cook the shrimp. You can also cook the shrimp according to how you like it. Okay, guys, no hard and fast rule. Yes, we all cook differently. But I just want you to continue to enjoy this show with Arlene SouLz TV. Yes, we are cooking coconut shrimp with spaghetti. Okay, so that will become coconut shrimp pasta. Okay, guys, that's how I like to prepare my coconut shrimp, and I do hope that you enjoy this vlog. Yes, guys, if you have not yet comment in the comment section, I am asking you to leave your comment. Yes, don't forget to like this video, share this video if you are getting value. Yes, go ahead and share it, guys. Okay, so let's continue to cook. Yes, guys, what happened to the room? Yeah, man. See, the shrimp spring its own water, guys. Its own water because it's steamed down. Right? Let me give you a close-up look, guys. You don't have to add any water to the shrimp. It's steamed by itself. Yes, of course. Don't have to add any water, guys. See? And I'm gonna allow it to simmer right there. Let's check on our coconut milk. Coconut cream, whichever one you want to call it. Wow, this is ready to turn off now, guys. We have it cooked the way we like it over here on Arlene SouLz, and I'm now gonna drain the spaghetti. Yes, guys. Now time to drain the spaghetti. Just the way I like it, guys. Perfect. And you can choose to cook the spaghetti the way how you like it, guys. People, as you and I know, shrimp don't take very long to cook. So it's time to add all the ingredients together now to make our curry shrimp pasta. And this is the Ital way, guys. Yeah, man. Ital pot where I cook. Isn't it? Yeah, man, people. We will be whipping up all these ingredients that we put together all in one pot now, guys. See? Coconut cream is ready to go. Yes, man. Very mindful. Very demure. That's how we do it over here on Arlene SouLz. Very mindful, very classy, guys. Yes, I didn't do too much. I didn't add all these cheese and cream and this and that, guys. No, we don't need all that excitement when you're cooking. Right? Very mindful, very demure. Because not everybody can enjoy cheese and cream, you know, when we are watching our weight and health conscious. Very mindful, very demure. See the people. Already it ready, you know, people. Yeah, man, we not do too much. See it there? Very mindful, very demure. Simmer down. Yeah, man. The shrimp is here. Coconut cream is here. And the spaghetti is here. And there we have it, guys. Yeah, man. Look how it's nice in the pot, people. Talk truth. Talk truth. Wow. Yeah, look off the spoon. Very mindful. Yeah, man. Classy. Authentic Jamaican shrimp pasta. Yes, man. This is how we do it. We don't want any cheese. We don't want any cream. Right? Once we have our natural seasoning, guys, you're good to go. Right? So now we are going to add the final ingredients, guys. Very mindful. Very demure. Yes, man. And guys, these final ingredients is just to give it a pop, guys. Nothing much. Just to give it a pop. Yes, man. I like natural seasoning. Comment in the comment section, guys, if you are one of those persons who like your natural seasoning. I really like my natural seasoning, guys. Very mindful. Yes, man. No cheese, no cream. Just the natural coconut cream, guys. Yes. And we are in for a treat right here on Arlene SouLz. Get your plate, guys. Get your plate. Let's enjoy this meal together. Very mindful. Yes, I want to share it with you. Go ahead and comment in the comment section if you like cooking like this, guys. Yes, if you enjoy them. Let me know if you like this type of cooking. Yes. And we are good to go. We are good to go, guys. I'm gonna get your plate for you to enjoy this meal with me in the comment section. Yes, you can comment, guys. Comment. Your opinion does matter. Yes, man. And guys, I have other cooking vlogs on my channel that you can check out. Yes, man. This is the Arlene SouLz Sunday vlog for you. A cooking vlog. Yes. The shrimp, guys, is right there. All the natural seasoning is right there. We didn't do too much powder season, guys. And here we are. Right. So let's enjoy this together. So guys, I'm ready to enjoy my dinner with tomato, red apple, and cucumber. So I want you to also go in the comment section and enjoy with me. Okay guys, I appreciate all of you. This is the coconut curried shrimp pasta. Yes guys,